Light your egg and set it for indirect cooking with the convEGGtor in place. Add your cooking grid and place your baking stone on the grid. Close the dome and make sure that the regulator and draft door are wide open to ramp up to pizza cooking temperature of approximately 550 to 600 degrees. Note, your pizza stone temperature will be lower than the reading on your dome thermometer. If you have an infrared thermometer, you can check that your pizza stone is around 500 degrees for best results. If not, a dome temp of 550 to 600 degrees will ensure a hot pizza stone. Once desired temperature is reached and your stone has reached proper cooking temperature, insert the Big Green Egg pizza wedges by setting one edge on each side, making sure tabs are facing down and resting against the inside of the base. Slide wedges along the gasket so that they meet evenly in the back center of the base. Shut the dome so that it rests neatly on top of the wedges. While cooking pizzas with the wedges in place, keep the regulator closed and adjust the draft door to maintain desired cooking temperature. At the end of your cook, you will need to remove the wedges in order to close your egg. To remove the hot wedges, wear proper heat-resistant egg mitts or silicone barbecue mitts. Carefully open the dome of the egg and remove the wedges and set them on a heat-resistant surface to cool. Important: be sure to place the wedges in a safe place, out of reach of children and pets. You can now shut down your egg in the normal fashion by closing the dome and ensuring that both the regulator and the draft door are fully closed.